All right, guys. Step number 8. You ready? Repeat. That's it. Repeat. What do I mean by that? It means you've set goals. We've engineered backwards. We have our game plan, right? It's no longer a dream. It's now a plan. Okay. We have our technology in place that we think we need right now, right? We're doing our marketing to get clients. We've gotten trained. We feel we're up to speed, and we're going to get after it. What do we do tomorrow? The same thing. We repeat again and again and again. Now you're going to be tweaking, right? The ERC comes out with the credits. So now you're going to pivot and start doing that. Those audits are now just gearing up. You'll start working on those audits. So your plan will shift a little bit, but the core of it does not change, right? My marketing might shift a little bit. My training, I may have to get up to speed on what's changed or what's new. The point is, you're basically going to set goals, go after those goals, smash those goals, and then repeat. Set new goals, look for different tech, better tech, continue your marketing, smash the goals, set new goals. I mean, my goal initially was just to do 150,000 when I went on my own. If I could just do that, minus my expenses, it was almost what I was making when I left the big 4 accounting firms. Well, then it became having like a real practice, 500,000, which seemed so far off. 18 months later, I blow through 500,000. Okay. Then it was 750. Then it was $1 million. Jeff and I built a $5 million firm. We haven't done anything different than this. Okay. Now, sometimes I'm going to warn you, you start seeing success and now you start seeing other ideas. It's like the curse of the entrepreneur, right? Ooh, there's an opportunity there, opportunity there. And you start to, want to chase everything. Here's the best advice I got from a billionaire. Actually, one of my clients said, well, wait a minute, whoa, Eric, you're doing this thing, it's working. How about I give you a different idea? Don't chase the other shiny thing. Do more of this. If this is working and you throw yourself at it and pour more resources into it, you can 10x this. And that's exactly what happened. So you set your goal, get after it every day, and just repeat. All right? It takes discipline. It'll take some time. You will get there. I promise. All right? So you got your 8 steps. You know what you got to do. And I'll see you inside TaxRep.